Having our customers here in Cologne for the Customer Day is an absolute blast. We can share with them what we've been working on relentlessly over the past weeks and months. We can allow them to network with each other, and we'll also get instant feedback from our customers.
Very exciting to be here today at our Customer Day. It's once again an amazing opportunity for us to partner with our customers, to learn from them what the challenges are that they have and how we can potentially solve those with the product that we're building.
Being able to connect with our customers is the cornerstone of our product innovation. We had a great day talking about our product roadmap, upcoming product launches, and getting a lot of feedback from our customers. Great day, super positive energy, really hyped for what's coming next.
All the ideas that we saw, all the input that we gathered, many different ideas to optimize our journeys. We created so many ideas that will keep me and my team busy for the next weeks.
The value of being here for this customer event is to see the real face behind the people and actually to see the people networking with each other to form this group, to make them realize that they may have the same issues in their daily routine, to see that we might create a positive impact and a value for their end customers, just to be sure that we are doing the right thing, and of course to have fun together.